Hey, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to start doing some final assembly on the driveline, so come along. So last week we tore all the well, I don't want to say driveline because the trans is in it, but we tore subframe, control arms, knuckles, everything out to make room for the new stuff. Only reason we're swapping the subframe is because the other one was really crusty and this one's in pretty decent shape. Between the wide body and the narrow body, they're the same. But what we need to do before we put that in is we have some Torque Solution solid diff mounts. So we're going to install those, get that bolted up, and then put the diff in. And those are final assembly type things. That should never have to come back out. But before we do that, I want to go over our list here real quick and then make a new list for stuff, because a lot of the things on the old list is like fabrication and type stuff. So let's take a look. Build engine, that's not quite done yet. Hydro handbrake, brake lines, clutch lines. Wire engine, back pressure sensor, X-bars, tube-on, weld, power steering, firewall holes, battery, weld up, lock up. Oh, hey, remove fuel tank.
Yep. Done.
Remove this. Brakes. Okay, so over here we're going to start doing like some of the final assembly type stuff. I hate the way this list is looking right now, guys.
That might be about it, because we're not changing suspension.
Not right now, no.
So
what we want to do now, let's get these diff bushings installed, Jason. So the idea of these is they make, see how these bushings, they'll twist?
Yep.
These insert into here.
Okay.
So that way when the diff gets bolted in, it can't do that anymore.
Okay.
Yeah, looks pretty good, Jason.
Cool.
All right, let's lift the car up and we'll throw this in.
Well, the nice part is, with it all stripped down, it's fairly light.
Yeah. So what we'll probably do, lift it up, get the back one started, and then we'll get the front one started, and then we can zip it in.
Okay.
Does that sound good?
Yeah, here. Or I can just lift it and you can put the bolts in.
You think you can lift that by yourself?
I think so.
Oop, you gotta go forward.
Oh, there we go. How are we looking?
Pretty good.
Yeah, that's not bad once you get it
Above your head?
Yes. Ooh, that one's going in real nice.
All right, you should be able to lower it down, Jason.
All right.
Cool. One thing I'm gonna want to do at some point is get solid bushings for back here too. So that way, because like right now this is still gonna twist, but we're on a budget.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Well, you know, future.
Yep. So when we do these front ones, we'll start them and then get these two in position as well.
Oh yes. Can I tighten these back two down?
Hold on, let me get all the big ones first.
Okay.
Let's get them snugged up. Yeah, that's not working too well, is it?
No.
Yeah, okay, let's just take it out a sec.
Here it is. I think these are not tight.
They're not.
Now we'll take it out a
Yeah.
little easier. Can I turn it over?
Yeah.
It's like a ham. I was just gonna say, and those bolts are in your pocket. Now we just need to hang a few more parts in here, and we'll have her.
Got some used STI axles here.
Oh, it's not that heavy.
No, it's just awkward.
Right, very. I can see that.
Okay, I'll grab this if you want to grab the knuckle. Okay, we're close.
There. Did that loosen it?
There we go.
There we go. I think the other one might be in position now.
Okay.
Maybe. Okay. That's cool.
Okay. One step forward, 3 steps back.
Unfortunately, yes.
So now the question is, do I buy a wheel bearing just to see if it fits? Because then I'll know if it's just rusty or not.
All right, now what?
Well,
Pop the axle out, or
no, we'll leave it in because
just to
they're
see
the right axles, no matter what.
Okay.
If anything, we'll have to do the hubs.
Okay.
Yeah, so they don't seem like they want to fit. These hubs are pretty rusty though, so I think that's probably what the problem is. But hey, we got a subframe and a diff in. That's pretty cool, right, Jason?
Absolutely. More progress.
So the other day when Jason was here, we were having some issues with the axles going into the hubs. And I was feeling pretty defeated that night. And I was like, you know what, that's good enough for a video, but no, I'm not letting that stand. I'm gonna get this all straightened out. The reason I went going is that hub is just so rusty inside. So I actually got a new one and test fit it. It slides on the axles just fine. So the plan is to get the hub off, get the whole assembly up, and then we'll put the hub in when it's up there just because it'll make it a little lighter. We'll do that on the other side and then have a whole working rear suspension. The only real wild card here is going to be if these hubs come out because they like to get stuck. And I usually have to air hammer them out, so we'll see. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna get the other one ready and we'll just take them down to the shop and air hammer these out because that'll be easier. Ugh. Well, we got them all apart, so I want to get that knuckle up in here. I'm not gonna put the wheel bearing on until after we have it up, so we just gotta make sure we have the axle in the hole. Okay, one's in. That's all that's. Whew. There we go. There we go. All right. Now the rest of the stuff. Cool. This side is done, besides for putting the nuts on. Yay. Final assembly on some parts. I'll get the other side whipped out here real quick and then I'll pick back up with you guys. Well, we got it all in, as you guys saw me do this side. We still have to, nut the things down or tighten them, but it's all in. This side's all good too. Yeah. We should have everything for the front axles. This should be the right drive shaft. I got some new control arms back there. I believe the narrow body and wide body knuckles are the same. I'm gonna have to double check that because I have obviously narrow body knuckles. Worst case, I might have to get some knuckles. I am really excited to actually see final assembly type stuff. That means we're kind of reaching the finish line. I don't know if I've said it in a video or anything yet, but we're shooting for like May 30th for our first test passes on the car, which gives us about, I think, 9 weeks. Engine's built, it's just gotta get assembled. The big thing left is really wiring. I mean, we do have to do some welding, but that really won't take that long. You know you're getting close when it's not like, oh yeah, we gotta do this, or oh yeah, we gotta do that. Like, anyway, that's where we're gonna leave this episode. If you guys are looking forward to more Drag WRX content, make sure you subscribe and we'll see you next time.